विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल सायन्स विजन विथ भांडेकर सर. प्लीज सबस्क्राईब माय चॅनल अँड थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पाहणार आहोत. या अगोदर आपण कायनेटिक एनर्जी आणि पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी स्टडी केलेला आहे. दॅट इज डेरिव्हेशन ऑफ कायनेटिक एनर्जी अँड ऑल्सो द डेरिव्हेशन ऑफ पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. नाउ हियर वी स्टडी दॅट इज लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी means or transformation of energy. You know one important point, that energy in universe remains constant. We use the different kind of energy there. You know that is solar energy, that wind energy, then electrical energy, light energy, then potential energy, kinetic energy. There is different kinds of energy there. Means these different sources of energy, but energy can convert from one form into another form, and total energy in universe remains constant. For example, that electrical energy, we take an example of electrical energy. Look, there is a transformation of energy. Means we take an example of transformation of electrical energy. Transformation of electrical energy. How we study the transformation of electrical energy? Look here, there is a electric energy. We draw one diagram here. Electric energy. This electric energy can be converted into different forms there, and again these different forms get converted into electric energy there. For example, electric energy can be converted into heat energy. Electric energy convert into heat energy. That is toaster, geyser, heater, thermal. Means in this way, that is electric energy gets converted into heat energy, and again in thermal power plant, that heat energy gets converted into electric energy again. Means that is the transformation of energy. Electric energy by different equipment and instrument, electric energy convert into heat energy, and in thermal power station by burning of coal, heat energy again convert into electric energy. Next here, that is electric energy gets convert into sound energy. Electric energy gets converted into sound energy, and again that is sound energy gets converted into electric energy. It is also the one transformation of energy or example of transformation of energy. Here, that is again that electric energy gets converted into wind energy. Electric energy gets converted into wind energy by using the device like a fan. And again this wind energy gets converted into electric energy by using the windmill. Again here, electric energy gets converted into light energy. Electric energy gets converted into light energy, and again this light energy gets converted into electric energy again. Means in this way, that is the transformation of energy. That energy only transfer from one form into another form, and total energy in universe remains constant, and that is said to be the law of conservation of energy. And here different examples there. Then how we state that is law? Statement of law of conservation of energy means energy neither be created, nor be destroyed, energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it convert from one form into another one form into another form, and total energy in universe remains constant. Total energy in universe remains constant. Means that is the law of conservation of energy. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण डे टू डे लाईफ मध्ये शिकतोय की इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी ही लाइट एनर्जी मध्ये कन्वर्ट होते, देन अगेन लाइट एनर्जी कन्वर्ट इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी कन्वर्ट इनटू हीट एनर्जी, अगेन that heat energy convert into electrical energy. Means in this way there is different examples are there for energy transformation, and you know here that is said to be the law of conservation of energy. Means energy neither be created nor be destroyed, and it only convert from one form into another form. Hence you know total energy in universe remains constant, and that is said to be the law of conservation of energy. Thank you.